Hi everyone. So today we are going to be see what is Tableau and how we have to be use it in the real time. So Tableau is nothing but the fastest growing data visualization tool used in the business intelligence industry. Okay, so we have a list of BI tools we have a SAP View, SAS strategy, augment analysis, business analysis, Yolofin BI, and so many things. Right. So Tableau is nothing but a very much faster than the Power BI. So yesterday we understood like what is the MCP server and we can connect the MCP server to any third party applications like what we need to copy just the npx command and code we will run, and we can integrate the npx command using the client windsurf cursor etc, right? So Tableau can handle the big data, but Power BI cannot handle the big data. And Tableau supports the Python, and Power BI does not supports the Python, right? And Tableau platform sheets are we have a dashboard, data source, and data blending, right? Data lake and the challenges you face in the real time. So it has a three job roles we have a developers, Tableau developer, admin, and so this is combines the Tableau developer plus admin. Okay, so Tableau products are five, which are nothing but here it is: Tableau desktop, Tableau public, and Tableau online, Tableau server, and a Tableau reader. Okay, so in our project, let us take there is a one manager, and under him there are 100 employees. Okay, so how many dashboard required? So one or two. So he might require the one or two developers. He's a manager and 100 employees. In the 100 employees, might be the Power BI developers are two, two or three max, right? So Tableau sharing it is sharing to the production server and sharing the tools, right? So, sharing tools, as the name suggests, the purpose of this Tableau product is sharing the visualizations, reports, dashboards that we were created using the developer tools. Right. So, product that falls into these categories are Tableau Online Server and Reader. Okay, so Tableau Creator Explorer means it has three licenses. Tableau Creator, which will be using by developers, and Explorer license that's get by FLMs like managers, TLCOs, like that. Right, viewers only view the graph. Okay, but they won't download. So you can refer this. Uh, all the Tableau, how it is useful and what are the products, so who will use it. It is a great platform to try this one. And okay, so Tableau desktop download, how we have to be download is like there is a two ways. Okay, so Tableau desktop for students, so you will be getting a 1 year free access, and the another one, those who are not students and the professions, so they can go with the Tableau desktop. Okay, so you will be getting the 14 days free trial. You can try now and fill the form. And for the students, they have to fill the form and give the names, details, whatever they asked. And once you fill the form, you will start install. Right here, how it looks like. Okay, so Tableau for free, and once you click this, it will ask you the form details here. Okay, so I have already downloaded and installed it in my system. So let me just go to the dashboard. Here you can see there are to a file, Microsoft text file, JSON files. So there are so many. Once you click this more, here let me. I don't want to now, but so what is here? If you go to the file and Microsoft Excel. If I don't give the Microsoft Excel, it will show the bad connection, so we have to be very careful about selecting the file if you're going with the CSV file or the Excel file. So for CSV file, I'll just select this text file, and I'll give the txt file format. Here it is. So here it is asking the connection, so live connection and extract connection. So let us understand. So what is all about this one? So here is my data.csv. You can see all the fields, all the fields and the columns which I am having in my data set. So it is a country name, country code, birth rate, internet, and income users, right? So what I'm gonna to do here is live connection means every time it will take the automatically. So if you keep the mode live, it will flow the data without the restrictions. And extract. So we will go with the extract. So we have the 14 days free trial, so whatever the future records, like not be joining there. Okay, and the calculation will not change in the extract one, so always you can choose the extract. Okay, so how to get the future records, you have to be refresh, and so we do the extract as a beginner level. Okay, and so here you can see the data. So this is my CSV data CSV file. Now you can see the below there is a sheet one, right? You can just click on the save. Yes, so here it is a sheet one. Okay, now you can see this view data and all here, the categorical data, and categorical data is nothing but here you can see the ABC. So these are nothing but the categorical data, and hash indicates the column which is nothing but the numerical data. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just drag the country code here, this one country code for the columns. Okay, so here like this, so it is showing all the so I'll just drag the country name. Okay, so I'll just remove this one. So here it is, country name in the row side. So I want to know like the birth rate of the country. Okay, so here this one you can put it this. So it is columns. Immediately the graph is built. So you can click down the drop down, and here you can see the measure. I'll select the average. Okay, now this is the our bar chart, you can see the colors, size, and labels, right? So these colors I'll just keep it as it is, and size you can just, as per your convenience, you can decrease or increase this size. And labels, so here no data is up, here it is appearing like this, but I want to show it in beside here, right? So what I will do, I'll just put the show mark labels. Now it is visible, right? So now what I will do in the labels, like we have adding the values and show mark labels. Okay, now here I'll just give the name as in the, or you can give the first name here, right click edit title. So as this is the data which is related to how to see the levels, high level, income level base. Okay, high level, medium level. So here I'll give the name as sheet 1. Sheet 1 I'll just remove, and country code was average birth rate. So select this and select it as a bold, and this one will be 18 in the center, and here I'll just select the white, apply and OK. Now this is my format title. I'll go with the format title. Now here I can see the shading. Okay, I'll select this, and border styling is this one. Okay, so it looks good. Let it be like this. Okay, all right. So this is how you need to be edit the title and edit the format title. Now here you can see this. You see all these are the columns, and here show me once you click this how to add these symbols. When I try to click, like when I try to show this graph to my client. Okay, so you have to be click this symbol first. Let me. Okay, so this is how the graphs look like, right? So presentation mode, it's nothing but the, and let's go to this, and here I just, here it is showing just country name and the average birth rate, right? So what I will do is I have to make it as like dollar symbol. So when how to add these symbols when I try to show it the graph to my client, so he might ask like hide the country name, and so what we will do in this case, sorry. Okay, so you can just you if you want you can hide the country name, or also you can do one thing. Here I don't want to go with the hide, I just go with the format, and here you can see the paint, right? So I'll just select this 10, and I'll just keep it in that as a bold, and the color would be black is okay, good. Now in this so here what I will do, I will just go to the now I have to add the symbols, right? So for that I'll just go with right click, and this is how this country name. Okay, so let me just show this. I need to add this one also bold. So format. Oh no, so it should be just that's it. It is visible now clearly. Okay, now I'll just go to the average. Here this is the average birth rate, and so right click here, and click on the format. Here this is, it is showing the paint model. Okay, so here it is a numbers. Now I'll just go with the custom currency, and here you can see the decimal symbols, right? Just make it as 0 or the dollar symbol. Okay, so now it is showing the dollar symbol. So what I will do, I'll go to the W9. Okay, so it is showing in the bold model, and it is added the dollar symbol as well, right? Now go to the average. Here you can see axis pane, and automatic it is already done. So we have the symbol. Once again, I'll just add it to get the filters here, the dollar symbol, and default currency, and so it is showing the default. You can see the rupee symbol. So I'll just add the dollar. So now it is showing the dollar symbol and with the bold colors, right? With the bold here 9. So now it looks good. It would be visible, right? So this is how you have to be do this. Now just close this. Okay. So this is how we have to be select whenever you want to be make the changes, like to add these symbols, whatever the symbols, dollar symbols or hash symbols, how you identify, how you indicate this one, so you can do that one. So dashboard, so what is the dashboard? It is nothing but the collection of sheets. Okay. So here you can see this dashboard option, right? So when you check this in the income group, like I just want to apply the filter section. Okay, so how this dashboard will work, and how the income group will add, let me show you now. So this is my income group. I'll just keep it as in the filter, right? So it is asking that yes, I want to add it everything. So just click apply and okay. And if you want to go back, you can just do this income group here, and all time. Okay, so I just want to make this look more colorful, so you can do this. So it looks now nice. Okay, so this income group I'll make it as a color, and the color has changed. Okay, now if you need to know like top 10 countries, the highest average birth rate, so this you can see this is the top bar and ascending and descending order, right? So this is the like the average ascending, and so here descending, like what are the highest income levels, low level income, and this is low level income, and upper middle income, low income. So like this you can say lower middle income, right? So you can say this, you can change it, and this is the high income Portuguese or Swedish. Yeah. So this is how it will work. And when you click on the when you want to go back, you can just do this Control C, so it will be the right back. Okay. So when you click on the average birth, here you can see the high income, low level income, lower middle. So these are the four categories that we have seen in the ascending and descending order. So whatever you want to show to anyone. So highest high income group and low income group. So you can do this. If you notice this sheet 2, like here, okay, you can add the sheet to here. Add many, like when you are a developer, if you open the multiple sheets, you will get confused. Okay, when which one you are working, and so for that reason you have to be right click and just add the colors red. And when you go with the sheet 2, okay, so this is the sheet 2. I just want to first I would just want to make it as a duplicate. Okay, and so this is my sheet 2, right? Here you can see, and if I want to go with not the this, here you can see this symbol, and you can make it as a horizontal wise as well, right? So this is how it works. Now you want to rename it, you can rename. So whatever the data that we are extracting, that is from the data list too. Okay, so here in the sheet 2, as it is already done, so let me just go to this sheet, and when you want to file or data, new data source, and the text file, and I just go with the same thing. Now this extract, and here you can see the same thing. So it will take some time, but it will work. It's not coming, so let it be. Okay, just click on this save. So here you can see the data source, and when you click this show me option, um, here you can see the multiple graphs. So in this, like, first I want to give the name to this multiple sheets when I get confused. No, so uh, I'll just give the name as, when you have country code was the birth rate I have already given. Average birth rate. Okay, and here I just want to give the name as, like, whatever you wish, you can give the average internet users. Okay, so internet users are the average birth rate and the income group. So it would be an income group. So we have seen how to add the filter. So this is country name was income group. Okay, so this is how it is done when we add the names to our uh, sheets, right? And you can also remove or rename. You can do there are so many options are available, right? Okay, when you see this show me option, like, you can choose anything, and so first I'll just add the two columns in this sheet, like country codes, and here I'll go with the internet users, and here it is sum, so that's why I will go to the average one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this one not required, and it will work like this. So you can try to check all these graphs how it is working. Okay, okay, so this is how it is working, and let's see this bubble. Okay, so all the country codes and names it is showing in the bubble model, and filters, if we add the income group, all apply, and okay. So I just want to make it as a colorful, so that's how it looks like, and here you can see this entire view, so make it as a center, so it looks, now it looks good. Now go to this, our previous thing, and average internet users I'll add here, and I don't want this income group here, so I'll just remove this one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I don't want, I'll just remove this. So I've selected the previous one, you can select this one as well. So income all, and click on apply. Okay, so this is how it looks like, but I don't want this type, so I'll go with this one, and let's see how it will work. Income group, and it doesn't look good. So this is how it will work. So whichever you want to be add the columns, you can add it. Okay, so whichever the graph you want to see, this is how we have to be see. Like colors, the colors are very important, right? So you can add the colors, and this is how it looks like. Now I just want to go back to the normal thing, and as I selected this one, longitude and latitude, I don't want this one, so just simply remove, or you can do the control Z as well. So it came to our normal position, right? Now what I will do, I'll just add the another thing, like the rose country name or the country code, and here columns I will add the average. Okay, so I'll just select this average internet users. Okay, and where is this income group? It is here, and select all, right? Okay. Okay, so these are nothing but the income groups we have seen. Now we have the Australia and India match, right? So that's why the colors are important. So let's talk about the India. Okay, now you can click on this India. You can see the lower level, lower income, lower middle income, like this. The when you put the cursor on the countries, so you can see this is the high income, like that. Russia income, and so these are the high incomes that you have to put the cursor, and you can see what are the income groups for every sheet. Like this is a filters I have applied, that is a common thing, right? So here you can see the filters which we have applied. Okay, now if you want to remove this, you can do the control Z. Now I'll go to the sheet 2, and now I'll try to add some changes here. Okay, so you have seen this in the sheet 2, like we have seen the pie map, field map, and highlight heat map, as well as packed bubbles. Okay, so these are the few charts we have already seen. Now what I will do in this sheet 2, I'll just add the income group. I'll just make it as it is, and I'll go to the another one, and same thing, I will give the name, or you can add the income group as here. I'll just give this income group and internet users. Okay, so these are the internet users, and now you can just click on this show me, and this is heat map, and which map it is. Okay, so this one, the country code, it is not showing. Okay, so this is the pie chart, and so this is nothing but a bubble chart, right? So this is how like it has been entirely. Now it looks good. Okay. So when you want to edit the title or here, I'll just give the name, rename it as a internet users income group was internet users or okay. So I have measure average users income group versus internet users. Okay. So which sheet you are working? So if you don't want to get the confused, you can just add the uh, colors, so it would be helpful to create the dashboard, right? So we have seen all these things, and now how to rename. So if I want to the connect other data source, how to do? Okay, so when you want to connect, assume like I have a client, like he might give the, we will get the data as in the Excel format or CSV or database format we will get. So all these files is one source, like CSV is one source, database is one source, and PDF is one source. So for that time, how you will do? Now you can see this data source, right? In this like Excel files. Okay, so these are the so many formats that it will support, right? So there is so many things that it gonna to be support, right? So this is how we have to be check. So whatever it is required for us. Now what I will do, I will try to take this and I'll go with the Excel or data. I just want to see the Excel format here. Okay, so okay, I have a CSV. What if I select the Excel and if I select the CSV file, it will give the connection error. So this is how the bad connection error. So we have to select the CSV format, then we have to select the. Okay, so this is how my salary.csv. Okay, so salary data. It is there. It is showing as a. Okay, now you can see the sheet, and so here this is my categorical data, so I will add it in the columns. Okay, so this is, I'll just make it as a average. Average, right? And you can see the drop down, right? Now you can select this and try to use it at the columns and rows, and now you can click on this show me option, and you can see here this screens heat map, and so this doesn't look good. So what I will do, I'll just do this and I'll try to check this bubble chat, and I just want to make it more colorful, so let me just add it. Yeah, so just click on the standard entire view when it is centered, so it looks good now. And yeah, this is how you have to be creating multiple sheets. Okay, so now I just want to add the filters, how to apply the filters. Okay, so in this is we have to create a dashboard. Like, so we will check like what is the data blending, data lake. Okay, so we will be mainly focusing on these things. Okay, so how to apply the master filter and how to apply the common filters, how to apply the dashboard filters, and how to apply the visual master filters, like how to deploy in the server and phone. So we will check now. Okay, so this is the things that we have to see, like master filter, how to build a dashboard, deploying the dashboard to the server, and how to present in the mobile, data blending issues, data lake, and what are the real challenges you face while working in the organization, right? Okay, so this is how. Let me just go with my sheet 3 or this one sheet 2. Okay, so here you can see in all my sheet I have applied the filters, which is a income group. This is the common thing I have applied. You can see the income group, right? High income group, and this is the data salary data set, so we can leave this. But remaining four sheets, it is we have applied the individual filters like it is a income group. So what is the common in all the sheets before we are going to be apply the filters are very important. So we have seen how to apply the filters. We must need to remember like this one to make sure like the common attributes in every sheet. So income group is common, right, in every sheet. So I added the filters. Now you can just click on the show filters. Okay, here when you, oh, this is the high income and this is the low income. Okay, so these are the things that we have to be see what are the income groups. You can highlight it as well. And here when you go here you can see the common filters, right? When you click this drop down you can see the, oh, we don't have this option, like we have the apply to the worksheet. Customize option has not given here, so selected worksheets. Okay, so you can check here as well. Okay, so this is how, so how many worksheets. I just added the three worksheet, only show only selected worksheets. Okay, now you have clicked the, okay, so it is how we have to be apply the filters. And it is applied in only one sheet, so we have applied all the sheet. These are the two ways you can do it manually, or you can if you have 100 sheets, like it's hard to create or not, so that's why we have the income group. Okay, now how to apply this? Like when you click on this, apply to the worksheet and select the worksheet. So whatever this, when you want to add it in the individual or everything. So this selected all the worksheets, and if you want to add it individually, you can do that as well. And then you have to be click on OK. So this is how you have to be add the filters in all the sheets or multiple sheets. Now you can visualize and see by clicking this one. Okay, so this is a common group, low income group, and this is how it looks good now. Okay, so applying filters, so we have no. Now, rather than showing one by one, what if I create a dashboard? So, what is the dashboard? I have here four sheets, right? So, you can see this header, you see this dashboard symbol, right? Once you click this, okay. Uh, new dashboard. So here you can drop and drag it, or else you can just, if we don't get the option as a plus, so you can do that as well, right? So this is my dashboard and I have a four sheets here. um, First I'll create the horizontal line, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so I'll add this and internet users. Okay, so I don't want like this, so just close it. And vertical, I want it users, I'll add it here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now you can see income group. Now everything it is aligned. So income group. So I have added multiple already. You can see this dashboard has a lot of empty space here. So we will do the alignment, proper alignment. And now I want to just add the filter options is not showing. Income group. So this one I don't want like this, and it looks too big. So I'll just go with only three sheets. And here I just, so common filter has to be shown in the each everything, right? So now it is income group and apply to selected worksheets, all using related the data source. Here also you can just, and here I'll go with, so this one no need I guess. This one I'm not adding, but let me add this here as well, all using the related data worksheet. Okay, now go to this dashboard and I just want to close this because we have to be see whether it is applied or not. Income group. Oh, still it is not showing. Let me just delete this and try to add the one more time. So before this, if you go and save this, it would be more good. So now let me just save as, and the type is TWB. Okay, so just click on this save. Now it is saved. Now I'll go here dashboard, click the new dashboard. So you can select the horizontal or the vertical. Now let me add it here. Income group. This one it doesn't look good, so I'll not add it. internet users. Want this into the vertical type. Okay, so it has to become here, the dashboard, and you can add it as a vertical or the horizontal type. Okay, so I have added my two sheets, and now I'll go with the internet users and I'll add it here. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and you can see in every sheet, income group filter is common. Okay, so if it is not showing, you can just click on the show filters, so it will show all the filters here. If see when you select this, or if you want to see all the low income, you can see only high income. So this is how you have to be check all the income groups. And now it is, you can just cross check if whether it is added in all the sheets or not. If it is added, then it would be fine, you are good to use it in the dashboard. Okay, so I have added all my three shifts. You can adjust vertical or horizontal, blank space, workflow, image, so you can add it, so whatever the sheets, it will appear here. Okay, you can, I just want to add this filter here. Yeah, little bit down or up. Yeah, so this look good now. So you can see this is, it looks very congested. Delete the containers. Okay, so I have added the filters, and in all these three sheets, filters are common. Okay, when you click on the see the visualize, see right side, left side, there is a lot more empty space. So what you will do, it doesn't look good when you show it to your manager or anyone, right? So for this, you have to be, just go to this thing with, I'll just add the height as this, and width as, it has to be fit, cover the screen, entire screen, right? So just add it. Yeah, now it's getting covered. Okay, now you can just click on this and try to visualize. Now it's covered entire thing, right? This is how you have to pay at the dashboard, create the dashboard and add the filters as a main group. And if you want to see all the high income group, okay, in the visualize it will not work. So I just want to see the high income. So these are everything, it appears on high income in all the groups, low income, high, and it's not getting click. Okay, yeah, now lower income group. This is how you can apply the filters. Now everything is fine. Okay, so it is absolutely working fine. So rather than showing this, you can apply the filters and you can do everything, right? Whatever the you want. So now here, I just want to add the one more thing. Okay, now I want to add the web page in my URL. So in the desktop size, we have seen how to add the desktop URL. You can see here, is it there, web page. Okay, so it's not getting added now. Here it is asking to enter the URL. Now go to the Google and select any website. I just select this runawayml.com and now go to this and enter here and click on OK. I should have add this here and try to adjust this according to your convenience. So you can see it is added. Now let me just keep this and try to make this visualize and see whether it is added, and you can just wait, this maximize is not working. Let me just, it's working very slow. Let's, you can see this and try to visualize. This is how it is working. So you have added the worksheets and URL. So this is how, if any video you wanted to display, you can do that as well. Okay, this is how it looks like now. Okay, so entirely like if you want to add the country name and sheets, you can do the filter in the first sheet, like just go here in this, let me, first sheet, view data. If you want to add the more columns or show fields, you can add it by using this option. And as we have seen all these common things, either you can add it manually fields or another columns countries, or that countries should be apply in every sheet. We need to add the master filters, so we can easily do that. When I build this dashboard to my laptop, and how to show this client, that is the next thing. So you can see in the headers here there is a server option, right? Here it is a server option. Now when you click on this and sign in, here you can give the your server name. Let me just go with this. You have to be show it to your client, right? It should be more good. So like this you can add anything and click on the connect. If it is a correct one, it will not show this type of error message, right? So everyone has a Tableau server sign in access. You can try this one. When you click on disconnect, the connection will establish in the production server. Okay, when the production server happen, just go to the uh, close this first and server. Okay, and you can just go to the publish workbook. Okay, when you click on this publish workbook to this dashboard server, will deploy in the production server. You have to give this server HTTP and then click on the connect option. So what it will happen, you will, your work will be get completed, and you will drop an email to your leads, like managers, email like discussion, clients, vendors. I deployed my dashboard to our production server. Now manager will call to the Tableau admin to get the access. Okay, so access has to be given by the admin, right? Admin will give the access. We have seen here like how many access, like in this, how many access we have, like creator, Tableau creator, explorer, and viewer. So we have this three license. Which license they will get? Only the viewer license we all will get, right? A reader or viewer license. Done. So nowadays, like entire company is working on the mobiles. So how people can see that in another thing. So if your company is start, so we have seen like individual filters, master filters, dashboard, deploying in the server, and how to present in the mobiles. You can see this device preview, right? In this device preview, phone and default. If you collect this phone, it depends on the internet, so it will work. And device preview, so you can select phone, edit layout, or so I just want the full width to fit all. Okay, no, I just want to go with the default one. So this is which view, phone view or what? Default means entire, so fit with this one. And phones layout default or custom, you can just check through this phone. So tableau model, I don't want this tableau model, I want phone. Phone, right? I just want, here you can see this phone. And here so many mobile phones models are available. Just click this iPhone 7 plus, Samsung Galaxy S series, Note. So all these things it will work. So whatever you want, you can select this. And nowadays, our company has started. Every company has started like learning, upgrading your skills. They will tell you like you can just go download this app, then learn, give a test, then upgrade. You will get promoted and all, right? So this dashboard headers, you can see all this device layout, desktop layout, and the phone layout. You can see this is phone. I have selected the phone. Let me just click on visual if it is. Oh, this is not yet done. So let me just go to the default mode. Okay, so it depends on the internet speed. Sometimes it will perform fast, and otherwise you can go to the default mode. So by using this phone mode, you have the application in your phone, tap your application, so you can see this preview, right? It looks good. So you can deploy the server and get the access to view the phone, Tableau, desktop. This all the deployment part. So this all the deployment part we have done. From the phone, you need to install the as the Tableau and mobile app. Which mobile it supports, you can check this in the drop down list, right? So this is how it will the Tableau works. And we will see the next thing is, we will see the next how this Power BI will work. Everything we will see in the next class. Till then, bye.